What's up, everybody? It's John from Buyer Louisiana. I am standing outside of a property here in Gentilly. As you can see, it is pretty overgrown with vines and it's boarded up. The seller came to us. This was an inheritance from his mother. He lives out of state and he needs our help. It's been sitting for a while. As you can maybe even see back there, one of the doors, the main door was boarded up, but somebody has potentially gone in. There are a lot of wasps there as well. So I got my handy dandy wasp spray. I'm gonna go check it out. We are interested in this property. There's not too many of them in any shape that we are not interested in. So if you do have a property that looks like this, definitely let us know. Check us out, homebuyerlouisiana.com. Give us a call, fill out a form, and yeah, let's talk about your property. All right, wish us luck. Thanks.